This is my safety circuit. When I push reset button, then just active light turn on, and now the cylinder is extend and retract by pressing the extend and retract button. When I push the emergency stop button, now the circuit is disconnected and it stopped working. Even active light also turn off. To reset the circuit, I release the emergency stop button. Then I press reset button. Now again the circuit is active. Now I can extend the cylinder and retract the cylinder by pressing the extend and retract push buttons. The safety gates also work similar to emergency stop. When I press that, the circuit is disconnected. To reconnect again, I have to uh, close the safety gate and reset again. Now circuit is working again.